Hello, in today's video I'm gonna show you how simple it is to create Google Shopping feed using Mulwi app. But before this, let's talk a bit about this app. Mulwi Shopping feeds offers over 200 plus ready-to-use templates that make it super simple to integrate with a wide range of marketplaces. It means that you don't have to start from scratch. You basically take already created template, follow simple steps, and you're good to go. To get started, you have to install our app from Shopify App Store. I'll leave the link in the description, so you can grab it from there. After the app installation, you'll see a setup guide where you can find all necessary information about our app. But for now, let's create our first feed. Let's go to the Feeds tab, Add Feed. Among these all popular platforms, let's choose Google Shopping. There are some file formats. We will choose CSV one, since this is one of the most popular ones, and also it is really understandable for the beginners. Create. And let's save. Okay, now our feed is already ready for posting on the Google Shopping account. But let's see, what customization settings does it have? On the top, you can find all general settings, where you can change the name of the feed and the file name of the feed. Moving down, you can see filter field, where you can apply filter, edit filter, and also create filter. With product filters, you can set up what products should be included or excluded from the feed. Okay, let's move to the next one. This is template field. So here you can add category mapping or static category. Basically, it compares categories in your shop and also Google categories. So your products will be in the right category and get more views. In specific fields and shipping details, you can set up basic settings for your template. But if you want to customize it more, you have to click on this button, continue. At this page, you can change values, also make expressions, add columns, delete columns, and just do whatever you want. And if you have some problems with our feed, you can always contact our support manager. He'll answer all your questions and help you with it. Moreover, it is all free. Okay, so let's click save. And let's go back. Here you can choose the source of the prices. It can be markets or even catalogs or price lists. So here you choose locations from where data from in stock or out of stock of your products will be taken. Moving on, there is a translation field where you can just set up a translation service, and also Google Analytics field where you can add UTM codes for Google Analytics to your URL of your products. Okay, let's go back up. Here you can see whether your field is active or inactive, and also if something unclear, you can always refer to our manual. The link is here, but I'll also leave the link in the description so you can check it out there. Under it, you can see all information about our feed. It is used to connect our feed to the Google Message Center, and we'll do it in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you found it useful. And don't forget that we have demo versions of our app, so you can try it by yourself.